Today, we're making an easy crochet anklet with evil eye charms. It's a simple accessory for everyday wear, summer outfits, or a casual sporty look. For this anklet, I'm using white cotton yarn and a 2mm crochet hook. I'll also be using rectangular evil eye charms. You can find these at craft supply stores. You can also use colorful beads, or beads in a single color. Before we start crocheting, thread about 25 to 30 beads or charms onto the yarn. Start by chaining 4. Starting in the second chain from the hook, work 3 single crochets across. Chain 1 and turn your work. Starting in the first stitch, work 3 single crochets across. Chain 1 and turn your work. Starting in the first stitch, work 3 single crochets across. Keep repeating these single crochet rows until the band is long enough to fit around your ankle. I kept working the single crochet rows until I reached the length I wanted. I made a total of 66 rows. These 66 rows measure about 25 centimeters. Your row count may be different depending on your hook size and the thickness of your yarn. For adults, about 25 to 26 centimeters is a good length. After the last single crochet, chain 5. Skip 2 stitches, then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 5. Save this tutorial for later. Skip 2 stitches, then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Continue the same way, making chain spaces across the row. At the end of the row, after the last single crochet and the final chain space, chain 1 and turn your work. Now, in this last row, we'll start using the charms we threaded earlier. Work 3 single crochets into the first chain space. Slide 1 bead or charm toward your hook. Don't slide it too close. Chain 1 to secure it in place. Then work 3 single crochets into the same chain space. Move to the next chain space and work 3 single crochets. Bring the charm up, then chain 1 to secure it without pulling too tight. Then work 3 single crochets into the same chain space. Repeat the same steps in every chain space until you reach the end of the row. I've added all of the charms. When you reach the end, repeat the same steps in the last chain space. Slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet to finish the row. Chain 7. Slip stitch into the top of the last single crochet. After the slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave in the yarn end neatly on the back. Once your project is finished, you can use steam from an iron to straighten the beads or charms and make them look neater. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next tutorial. Please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.